Welcome to RSM Real Estate Show, where we tackle real estate questions. Today I got a question. Can it get too late to become a property investor? In other words, obviously we all get older, and can we leave our run a bit too late to get the best out of real estate? Well, I've certainly seen people into their late 50s, early 60s crack on with real estate. In fact, we've got a client who's basically built 6 properties or acquired 6 properties in like under a year in his 60s, and he got into the market at that age group. Hey, I tell you what, when it comes to this idea of, well, just not taking action, I think the bigger question is what stops people taking action earlier in their life. And there's a little thing that hampers us all in all sorts of our lives, our jobs, and that is a thing called procrastination. Why people procrastinate is because they feel that they don't have the tools or the education to make a decision. And when you think about potentially times you've procrastinated, it's usually because you feel very vulnerable that you're not capable of making a decision. And of course, a lot of people don't get involved with the real estate market because they're afraid to make a decision, procrastination. And of course, what this can do is remove people from many economic cycles of wealth creation out of a fear of kind of just not understanding what is going on. So, of course, the best thing to do is just get educated, then you won't procrastinate. And that's with any asset class. If you're going to be a property investor, get educated on what property investing is about. If you're going to be a share investor, you'll less likely to procrastinate when a great share opportunity comes up if you study the share market. If you're going to be a crypto investor, potentially you need to do the same thing. Spend some time learning about it, then it won't feel like such a gamble. And as such, I think a lot of people look at real estate investments and look at all sorts of asset classes with the wrong lens. You won't procrastinate when you're educated. And when you're educated, you absolutely make better decisions on the types of properties you buy, and ultimately you'll see the results in the pudding. All right, I'll catch you next time.